Hi guys, it's me, it's Lacey Elizabeth, and welcome back to my channel. I'm on a foundation journey, as you guys know, and I picked up 2 more foundations and I thought let's test them out, see how they wear, and let's do it together. Remember guys, if you love these videos, to hit that notification bell, smash that like button, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it! Okay, in today's video, we're going to be using the new Nars Soft Matte Foundation. The color I picked up is Light 2 Mont Blanc, so let's hope that's my shade. And today's competitor is the Giorgio Armani Perfect Glow Flawless Foundation in color 1.5 Luminous Silk. Let's unbox the Nars first. This is the Nars foundation in Light 2. This is really cute packaging. Like, you get actually a fair bit of product in here. Very, very cute. It is plastic. Okay, so it's got like a squeeze tip. I enjoy that. Very sanitary, I like that. Alright, let's unbox the Giorgio Armani foundation. Don't need this. This is glass. I love this. This is very, very pretty. Let's take this lid off. Okay, this is a pump. That's awesome. Alright, let's put these to the test. I'm gonna be using my MAC mixing palette right here, and I'm gonna put that right there. I'll add some of the Nars foundation to this side. I'm only gonna do half my face, that's probably a lot. And I'm going to take a couple of pumps of the Giorgio Armani. I think that was 3 pumps. Okay guys, so I'm going to be using my Natasha Denona foundation brush right here for the Giorgio Armani. And for the Nars Soft Matte Foundation, I will be using my Makeup by Mario foundation brush. And for doing any extra blending, I've got my Beauty Blender right here. So I'm going to go in, do half my face with the Giorgio Armani, and I'm going to do half my face with the Nars, and we'll see how it goes. It's very fluid. We're going to go in with the Nars. I find I'm tapping into it, it's very fluid. So I'm gonna go in and just start with my forehead. That's a lot more full coverage than I thought it was gonna be. Wow, I'm actually super impressed. Okay. Okay, first impressions, that's 1 coat of foundation, and I just tapped it out with my brush. That is full coverage. That's stunning. That soft matte from Nars is just beautiful. It blends beautifully. I don't know what else to tell you. Like, this is, you know, Giorgio Armani has to like beat this. Like, this is stunning. I love this. Okay. And it is what it says it is. It's soft and matte, but still, somehow it's still glowy and beautiful. All right. Let's test out the Giorgio Armani. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Natasha Denona for the Giorgio Armani. We're just gonna tap into that product, stipple that on that brush, and then let's tap on the face. It's very sheer compared to the other side. I mean, obviously one is soft matte and one is a more luminous foundation, but I paired them together because I thought, have them and let's test it out. Okay, That is one coat of foundation with the Giorgio Armani. Like, it's stunning. It's really pretty. It's very glowy. Not as full coverage as the Nars Soft Matte foundation, but this is giving me coverage. This is giving me glowy, dewy, pretty. It's not dewy, but like more on the matte dewy side. It's just lifelike. It's giving me that extra. This is going to be really tough. This is going to be really tough for me to pick a winner. I am going to go in and I'm going to conceal and I'm going to powder, and I will be right back. Also guys, side note, I went in and I moisturized with my Ordinary moisturizer. Then I went in with the Hourglass Veil primer and I primed my face. For concealer today, I'll be using my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. Now that I've applied my concealer, I'm just going to tap that in with my beauty blender. Okay guys, I have absolutely no powder on my face and I can't pick a winner. Like, this is, like, it's both beautiful. Like, they're both stunning. Like, they're both amazing. All right, let's go in with that brand new Patrick Star powder and powder our faces. Now, to brush away that excess powder, I'm just gonna go in with my Scott Barnes powder brush, which is a number 67. Okay guys, what do you think? Who's gonna take it? Giorgio Armani or Nars? Okay, so I absolutely love both sides. The Armani looks so much more natural, and this soft matte side from Nars just looks stunning. Honestly, I'm having such a hard time picking a winner. Like, they both color match me beautifully. They're both luxurious. It feels luminous. Like, they both feel amazing. I'm trying to pick a winner. I'm gonna have to say this is probably a beauty battle tie. Yes! All right, this is a beauty battle tie. I'm gonna give it to both of them because, like, these are both stunning. Like, this one's giving me more natural. This one's giving me more glam. I love both of them. Remember guys, if you love these videos, remember to hit that like button, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye guys!